Hello, I'm in progress of doing my Broadstairs memory, so maybe you could call it Broadstairs in gold, I'm thinking. Maybe let me know if you think something else. I just got this idea. So I'm now inputting this glue and I'm trying something different. I really like the gold, so I'm just doing it Broadstairs in gold. But I would like to add a sand on it. So see how is it going and how it will end. Fingers crossed. I hope you watch my video about adding these little shells. So I was thinking let's do it on this one as well. Let's see. Hi guys, hi, it's really lovely day today. Look at the sunshine, it's so inspiring. So I have my inspirational music on and then I'm continue with the art and let's finish it today, let's quickly. So it is beautiful as it is in my head. Steffi, what do you think about my new painting?
Beautiful and lovely and smart.
Why smart?
Because I love the water. Very smart.
Thank you. So what I do, I'm just having this and this white paint and I'm trying to create a little bit more white. And then with brush, just trying to a little bit make it more blend in. I thought I will add more gold because I think it's never enough gold. So what I do now, I just take a little bit of white. So let's see, I will take a little bit of white and then I just go over it with another color and I think that looks beautiful. What do you think? I think it looks nice. So I was thinking, let's now do the sun. I wanted something a little bit different this time. Some new style or something. So I was thinking I will do something unusual. And I would like to use these glue rolls. I know it's crazy. But let's try it. Let's see what will come up with. Stay with me. So let's take these I was thinking, let's put it like this in the paint. Let's have a more paint. And let's try. So I'm trying to, I don't know, do something a little bit crazy, a little bit weird, I don't know. So let's experiment together. Why not look at it? We'll see. So this is how is it so far, and I would like now to add the sun. I tried a little bit, I will do it differently now. I think I know what I want now, and let's do finishes touches. So as you could see, I just done it lots of in the gold, dip it in the gold. Try to really make, and now I'll make it maybe with my fingers. And now I would like to do something unusual. Don't tell anybody, just you and me. Okay. So I've done some dipping to look at a bit more interesting. And just me. Oh, I like it. I like that. I done my sun. Look at the sun. I done my sun, my abstract crazy sun. And I'm now doing something again really different. I'm doing the sea and the sky. So there is going to be a very big twist. Stay with me. On the end, I thought that again I will use a twist, because that's the inspiration, right? And I would like to make the painting in a special cloud. So I am going to make it into this my spray. So you spray it, and then I would like to add a little bit of a clouds around. Stay with me. Hi guys, hello, I done it and I'm excited. I think it did turn up really nicely. Oh, the sun is in my eyes. So, look at that. Look at this, how I love the shininess. It's almost my favorite Louisa Bay in gold. And I've really tried something different. Really at this line, I like the actual sand. I like the sprinkles. And I add the sign. Something unusual. I hope you find it inspiring. I hope you will like it. I hope you will subscribe. See you in the next painting. Bye.